to start your own multi-vendor business, then check out our latest all-in-one application with food, grocery, taxi, parcel delivery, electrician, everything in one app. So your users can download one app and book all the services so you can have more revenues. In this app, you will get a website, a user app, a seller app, a driver app, admin panel and 1 year free technical support. If you want to know more about how this all-in-one multi-service app Gojek clone works, then check the complete video, and for more kindly contact us. The details are showing on your screen so you can directly connect with us. And now let's get started. This is the website of our Gojek clone. You can see you can book food, grocery, e-commerce, pharmacy, real estate, hotel booking, services, parcel delivery, taxi, all in one app. So everything can be booked just by using one platform. If you click on food, you can see all the categories inside food like pizza, burgers, pastries, everything. In this website and app, the data is collected by location, so you will be able to see only the stores nearby your area, just like Zomato, Swiggy, Foodpanda, any other platform. And yeah, that's how you see products. And now click on any product and add to cart. To make an order, you need to either log in or register, and that is how a product will show in your cart. You can add discount coupons and much more. And now let's log in. If you want to start your business like this, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on the screen, or you can also see the comments available. The contact details are also available in comment. And now click on proceed order. Now choose your address. You can also add a new address. And now choose cash on delivery or online payment. You can see your complete order detail, and now click on place order. And yeah, that's how you make a website on our Gojek clone multi-service platform. And now if we click on the properties, you can see all the properties listed in your area. And now if we click on hotel booking, we can see all the hotels available in your area. To book taxi, you need to use the application. If you want to understand how Gojek clone application works, you can check out the video available in the description, or you can directly contact with our team so they can help you the best. In this combo, you will get a user app, Android, iOS, user app, seller Android app, driver Android app, seller iOS app, driver iOS app, and a complete combo. Details you can see on our website. And now let me show you what are the other details available in our Gojek clone multi-service app. If you want to make your app like this, details are showing on your screen, or you can directly WhatsApp us. You can also visit ronix.com for more details. And this is the details of our Gojek clone. You can see you are getting a user app, driver app, seller app, Android, user app, driver app, seller app, iOS. You can see all the services listed like login, booking a taxi, booking a courier, booking a order. Everything is available in this application. If you want to know more about features, if you want to understand more how our app works, what you will get, you can directly connect with our consultant, or you can also visit ronix.com so our team can help you the best. And this is the image representation. How the booking is going on in the application. In our Gojek clone multi-service app, we also have multiple payment gateways like Flutterwave, PayUmoney, Razorpay, Paytm, Stripe, and many more other gateways. You can directly contact with your consultant for more details. Details are showing on your screen to directly connect with our team. In this app, you also have live tracking, wallet, refer and earn, and much more features. This application is made on Flutter and the admin is on PHP Laravel. For more, you can directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen, or you can also visit tronics.com so our team can help you the best. For more, kindly watch all the videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.